Hello class 2 students, how are you all? I think all of you are pretty well and staying safe at home. I will request all of you to be at home with full protection because you know outside the environment is not right for you all. Okay? So children, since you are getting bored in home, so today I am here to discuss a very interesting topic in mathematics. I am going to take up your subject mathematics. Okay, so I think before starting, I think all of you have got this book, Cambridge Connection Mathematics. So today from your book we are going to discuss the first chapter, that is numbers 1 to 99. This is a bit recapitulation of your previous class knowledge. You are already having idea up to number 99. So very fast today we are going to brush up this chapter so that we can move on to the next interesting part in your maths. Okay? So let's start. Let's see what is there. So children, this is your first chapter, numbers 1 to 99. Let me focus on the parts that we are going to discuss today. This is numbers from 1 to 99, place value and phase value, expanded and short form, before, after, between, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending orders, even and odd numbers. So these are few things, children, which you already know, just to analyze how much just to evaluate how much you know. Children, if I take one example, suppose if I take one number 26, so can you tell me how many tens and ones are there in this number? Yes, there are 2 tens and 6 ones. Okay, there are 2 tens and 6 ones. Now this is how we write according to the place value of this number. If we write tens and ones, since there are 2 digits, so we will take place value up to 2, that is ones, starting from the extreme right hand side going in this direction towards the left, ones and tens. Now if I place this number just beneath the place value, it will be written as 6 and 2. So here you can say that the place value of 2 is 2 tens, that is 2 into 10, which is equal to 20. So 2 tens, which is again equal to 2 tens. So children, 2 tens is the place value of the digit 2 in this number 26. Again, going to the next one, that is 6. Let me do it in this way, 6. So the place value of 6 is 6 into 1, which is equal to 6. That is equal to 6 ones. So we can again say that the place value of digit 6 in this number 26 is 6 ones. So this is how we determine the place value, isn't it? Now phase value. So phase value, we can say it is the number itself. Like if I ask you, in the number 57, what is the place value of 5? That will be 5 itself, the number 5 itself. Again, if I ask, in the number 98, what is the place value of 8? Then that will be 8 itself. So this is how we determine the place value and the phase value of any 2-digit number, and the concept remains same even in case of higher digits. Now going to the next part. Now suppose if I take a number 78, right? In this number 78, if I want to write this in expanded form, how to write this? This will be 70 plus 8, which adds up to 78. So this 70 plus 8 is the expanded form of 78. And again in the reverse way, 70 plus 8, if I give you a number, let me take the same thing, 70 plus 8, what will be the short form of 70 plus 8? Then that becomes 78. So this is the expanded form, and this is the short form. Okay, so this is how we write the expanded form and the short form. I will go a little fast. Now children, to understand the concept of before, after and between, these things you know and you have been doing for all your classes till now. So that's why I am brushing a little fast. Now suppose we take 3 persons are there. Person A, person B and person C. So if I ask you, if I take this person B, so who is standing in front of, or who is there before person B? So then I will say it is person A. He is before. Okay. Now if I say who is after person B, then that will be person C. In this way we determine the concept of before and after. That means person B is in between and he is standing in front, he is standing in between A and C. Person A is before person B and person C is after person B. Okay. So in the same concept is also applicable in case of numbers. If I take the number 68 or 65, so what number comes before 65? Then that becomes what? Yes, that is 64. And if I say what number comes after 65? That is 66. Now children, these are really very simple things. Now you will be doing something more advanced than this. So just a recapitulation of all these 2-digit numbers. So after this, before, after, between, we are going to discuss what is greater, lesser and equal to. Now let us take 2 numbers. 2-digit number 87 and 32. Now how to understand which number is greater and which one is smaller? The greater than sign is this one, the less than sign symbol is this one, and the equal to symbol is this. For determining this, we will always count the digit in the 10th place, that is this one. See, here in the 10th place it is 8, and here in this number the 10th place digit is 3. So very well we know that 8 is greater than 3. So from here only we can directly infer that the number 87 is greater than number 32, since the 10th place value of 87 is more than that of 32. Is it okay? So these are very simple. Just go through very fast and also do the exercises that are given. Now ascending and descending order. In this way children, like 82, 34, 57. Suppose these 3 numbers are given. Let me rub the other part. Now children, if it is the numbers are like this, we have to arrange them in ascending order. Means from ascending, suppose if there are steps like this. Ascending means from ascend, that means from lower step to higher step, that is ascending. And descending means from higher step to lower step. That means descending. Okay. Keeping the same concept in mind, here also you have to arrange the numbers in ascending. That means from smaller to higher. So here again, counting the tens place, you can see this value is the lowest. So that means 34 will be the smaller number. Next to it is 57 and then next to it is 82. So this is in ascending order. I am writing short. Likewise, if I again consider the value in the 10th place, the digit in the 10th place, so this number has the highest value in the 10th place. So that means 82 is the highest. Then comes 57 and then comes 34. So this is in descending order. That means from higher steps to lower steps. And this is from lower steps, it is moving up. That's all in this chapter. Keeping these concepts in mind, again there is one more part, that is even and odd. Now to discuss about even numbers and odd numbers. Again, see what is even numbers. Numbers that ends with the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Right? The digits that ends with these digits, the number that ends with these digits are called even numbers. Like here you can see in this number 32, the end digit, the last digit is 2. Again here the last digit is 0. This is 4. So these numbers are all example of even numbers. Why? Because their last digit is even. That is, it ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Again, coming to the odd numbers. Obviously, the numbers that are not even, the rest of the numbers are all odd numbers. These odd numbers usually ends with what? With these digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. For example, 73. Here you see the last digit is 3. Which is not an even number, so that is why it is an odd number. Same goes for 29 also. Okay, so whenever a number, we can group it in two. Suppose if I take 6, the number 6, since it can be grouped in 2, 1, 2, 3, 2 group, 2 group, 2 group. In this way we can divide it into 3 number of groups, each of 2. Such numbers are known as even numbers. This you will understand much better when you will learn come across division. Okay, so children, that is all in this chapter. You can understand it is very simple. So after going through the video, start doing the exercise. We will again discuss that in the next session. So till then, bye bye and thank you all.